All right, your former colleague Kabiru Turaki has been endorsed by some Northwest leaders, including former acting chairman Ahmed Makarfi, who was also a former governor, and all of that. But then, just last night, we had Umar Bature, National Organizing Secretary, and some other stakeholders too from the same Northwest coming to say that they're against that. And some feelers are saying that maybe you are linked to this Umar Bature-led group, and that the major thing here is that you don't want the National Convention to hold because of the Samuel Anyanwu factor, who he claims that his signature was allegedly forged to send to INEC. What's your view on all of this?
Tell me, if it happens in the West, it is me. If it happens in the North, it is me.
Because you're
when you take the wrong step, you will achieve nothing. I have told you before, the problem we have because we are governors. And I've said this. You go and take a decision, and then you sideline certain people. What do you expect to have? You have a faction. Is that not embarrassing? I don't want to even talk about that. What is the National Convention? What are you National Convention for? Why are you not following due process in the National Convention?